Today we're looking at a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. It's got 32,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's alabaster silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks good there. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks to be in really good shape. It's a certified Honda Civic LX 2015, 32,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Driver's seat looks good. Maybe just a small little stain running right in through here. Okay. Does have the keyless entry key fob. It's got your USB port right here in the center console. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. No problem at all there. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control area here. Got your AM FM CD player there. All right, it's going to have a display screen up here with the mileage and whatnot. It's also going to have your backup camera there, and we'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, and it's got your econ button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 32,169 miles. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it does have your digital speedometer, and I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit, but you can see how well lit up this dash of the Civic, of these Civics are. Really nice layout. Okay. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth's in good shape. No issues back here. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Take a look back here at the trunk space. Got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Got your spare tire there. Alright, but plenty of room back here. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Alright, got 15-inch steel wheels. Okay, the nice plastic hubcaps on them there. There's a little scuff right through here on the hubcap. Tires are in great shape. It's a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, we got a certified 2015 Honda Civic LX, 32,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.